Alright, FedEx just dropped this box off. It's my new Laco watch, so I thought I would share the opening of the box. It's a 45mm Dortmund model. There it is, Laco box. Leather case with the zipper. It's the moment of truth. There it is. Laco Dortmund 45mm hand winding movement. Beautiful watch. Very nice. Take the plastic off the dial. Sapphire Crystal, domed. Heat blued steel hands. You can see the blue hands there. Engraved case back. Laco was one of the original 5 companies to create these watches, so I thought that kind of lent some authenticity to it. The others are Stowa, IWC, A-Lang, and Wemp, and the only other one that is really affordable for everyday people is Stowa. The others are a little bit out of my price range. But this one came in at around, after customs and everything, about 1,300 Canadian. Let me just wind it up here. There it goes. So I'll wear this watch for a bit and then probably do like a little more in-depth review, but just wanted to share the opening of the box.